He's driving. He drove 3 hours for here, so low back, disc bulges, sciatica. He has a lot of pain. So we're gonna do that ring dinger. Okay, lift your head for me. Relax. Teeth together though, just so I don't. Yeah. It's actually perfect because you need that. You felt it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. Breathe. You felt that down to your low back, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just breathe. Yeah, just chill for a second. Yeah, just chill. He's been needing that for a long, long time.
Too long.
And apparently he's driving back, so I don't know how that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Turn.
Oh my God.
Turn over here.
Yes.
And